What is up? Okay, so it's been 17 years of me riding, so I got me a Hayabusa. So I bought this bike brand new. It's a 2020 Suzuki Hayabusa. Got the Brembo calipers, monoblock. It's a one-piece caliper. What a beautiful bike, man.
Moto Talk USA.
It's early in the morning. I'm not a morning person really, but I'm excited with my new bike. I want to get something nice for my next bike, but wasn't sure what. So I saw this video on YouTube. When I saw it, my PP went. I like how the bike was power drifting out of the corner, doing wheelies. I like how the bike was leaning in that video. And I also like how the guy was just cruising normal. You know, like everyday use. So when I saw that video, I knew my next bike was going to be the Hayabusa. I bought this bike 6 days ago. It's only 6 days old. And I have 348 miles on it. Oh, baby! Wow! Holy butching. This bike is a real deal here, man. In my country, I call this a motocicleta. Man, this thing has the power. And they get it. Is a fast bike. Actually might be a little bit faster than this top speed, but both go head to head. And then you have the Dodge Tomahawk and the Y2K turbine bike, which those have superior top speed. But this is an everyday use bike I use as a commuter bike, and it's well known around the world. Like it's I know people even don't know about motorcycles in it, they know what a Hayabusa is. So for that reason I call it the king of bikes. this video was like, I got the bike, I got a new bike. I'm gonna be making more videos like why did I choose this bike, besides that video that inspired me. And by the way, I highly recommend you watch that. Nice video. So if you don't want to miss out on my future Hayabusa videos or how-to videos or dirt bike videos, or I'm just kidding, subscribe, and that's that. See, that's what I'm saying. I use that as a commuter bike. Stop and go traffic, high speed, everything. So I'm gonna make another video why this is a nice bike for that. Lecimy την πίστα στη 1300. Για να το ανοίξουμε λίγο το εργαλείο. Πού πας ρε, πού πας? Είναι για Hayabusa, πας να φύγεις. Πλάκα με κάνεις. Σκυλί μαύρο είναι το εργαλείο. Φωτιά. Ρε μαλάκα. Καράβαν σαράει να πούμε. Πάω και πάω και πάω και δεν τελειώνω ρε. Να θα κάνω πάκι τι θα γινόταν. Έφτασε.